Does anyone have any questions for ma'am on volunteerism or her life journey? All right, thank you very much, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Teacher, I teach to larger classes, so it's okay. So, namaste and good morning, everyone. On behalf of trustees, management, patrons of Srimati Kantaben Research Center of Multidisciplinary Studies, principal, teaching and administrative staff of Maniben Nanavati Women's College, it is my privilege to extend a heartfelt gratitude to all who have made this session both inspiring and impactful. First and foremost, I wish to express our deepest appreciation to Ms. Jayanti Shukla, our resource person for today, for inviting the talk on the ripple effect, which has touched our hearts and sparked a sense of responsibility in each one of us. Your words have beautifully highlighted how selfless an act of kindness and dedication can transform lives and build a stronger, more compassionate communities. You have reminded us the power of collective action and the profound difference we can make by stepping up to serve others. Thank you for sharing your insight, experiences, and valuable lessons that will guide us in our efforts to get back to the society and give it more stronger. We extend a heartfelt gratitude to our invited guests, students in the audience, for honoring us with your presence. We express our sincere gratitude to all those who contributed to the organization and the smooth functioning of today's event. May this legacy continue to inspire and guide us always. Before we conclude today's event, I request everyone to please rise for the national anthem as a mark of respect and unity.